And they're going to have something in it today that we need to address and take care of first. So let's look. Today we're going to solve equations with the distributive property. Equations with distribution. They're going to look something like this. We'll start off easy. Okay, somebody tell me what's different about this problem than the ones we have been working so far. Connie, what do you see in there that we haven't seen yet? Good. Does everybody see the parentheses? The distribution property is easy to recognize. It will always have a set of parentheses in there somewhere. Are you with me? Now, this is kind of like the problem we did the other day. Remember where we had that fraction where the p plus 4 was on the top? Where is my plus 4 in this problem? It's in the parentheses. You cannot take it out until the parentheses are gone. Are you with me? So we got to deal with those parentheses first. What do parentheses mean in mathematics? Andrew? Multiply. So this problem really says we're going to multiply everything in the parentheses times the number right outside the parentheses. Are you with it? So let's do that. Be careful with the signs. What's negative 8 times negative 4a? Y'all don't know what negative 8 times negative 4 is? 32a. Negative 8 times negative 4 is 32. A is still a. So negative 8 times negative 4a is 32a. Check. Let's multiply negative 8 times the 4. What's negative 8 times 4? Perla? Negative 32. And I'm going to bring down everything else. Now, this problem looks just like the ones we did yesterday. Are you with me? Mm-hmm. It is now a two-step equation. What would you get rid of first? Eddie Jones. I don't need your comments. Yes, ma'am. How would you get rid of the negative 32? Add it. That's what I would do. Add 32 over here. We're going to get a bigger number. What's 128 plus 32? 160. And I'm going to cross out the 32 minus 32. That does, in fact, turn into 0. Bring this down. 32a. All right, we're almost done. Stella, what do we need to get rid of now? How?
By subtracting.
No, ma'am.
No, by dividing.
Yes, that's multiplication. The one next to your a or x or y is always going to be multiplying or dividing. So this is multiplying. Let's divide by 32. Divide by 32. Those cancel out to 1a, which is a. What's 160 divided by 32? Okay, 5. A must be the number 5. Questions? Not that much harder, is it? That one isn't. Now we're going to get one here in a minute. It's got a little more to it, but if you see the parentheses, make sure you multiply the number in front of the parentheses times every number in the parentheses. All right, let's look at one that's a little more challenging. It'll have some parentheses in it too. Oh yeah, this one. 8 times 4 plus 7p minus 1 equals 199. So this one's a little bit more challenging, not much. What should I do first? Somebody tell me what I need to do first. You three have already helped me. Thank you, bro. I appreciate you. She's trying to get me What should we do first? Noah. Oh, thank you. Now what should we do next? Yeah, distribute the 8 to the parentheses. Am I going to multiply 8 times that 1 out there?
No.
Only by whatever's in the... Good. All right, so let's go. What's 8 times 4? 32. What is 8 times 7p? Yeah, just 8 times 7 is 56, and then put the p at the end. 56p. Are you with it? Bring everything else down. What else is there? Minus 1 and equals 199. All right, can anybody tell me what I need to do next? I'll give you a hint. Oh, Clover, what are you thinking?
Subtract 32.
I could, but I'm going to do something before I do that. Perla.
The 32 and the 1.
Good. If you've got two things on the same side that can be combined, aren't those both just regular numbers?
Yes.
I can add 32 and minus 1 together before I move anything. Are you with me? What's 32 minus 1? 31. So I'm going to rewrite this as 31 plus 56p equals 199. Now, what Clover would have done would not have been wrong. Are you with me? She could have subtracted 32 from both sides, and then she would have had to get rid of the 1 by adding 1 to both sides. It's a hair more work, but it wasn't wrong. Are you with it? Yeah. I prefer to add them together because I'm lazy and I want to do it as quick as I can. Okay. All right, what do I need to get rid of now? Autumn. Yes, ma'am. Subtract 31 first. That gives me 0 here. Bring down the 56p. Let's extend the line. And what's 199 minus 31?
168.
168. And finish it for me. Add each over. What do we do? How do I get rid of that 56? Does it say?
Divide.
Yeah, divide. Good change. Divide by 56. And it looks like my answer is going to be what, 3? P equals 3. Questions? Not much harder, just a little bit more to it. I'll give you a hint. When you get done multiplying, if you see 1, 2, 3 numbers on one side, that means you need to combine 2 of them. Because we want it to look like a two-step, like the warm-up. Aren't there only 2 numbers over here? If there was another one, that means we need to add whatever's over here with one of those together to make it only 2 numbers. We're trying to turn it into a two-step. Are you with me? Any questions? Do we need to do one more? Are y'all ready for the homework?
We're ready.
Let's see. All right.